Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use tab completion on Linux. So, at the beginning we will open the terminal of course, and what is a tab completion? Tab completion is really useful because tab completion allows you to autocomplete comment, for example, by pressing tab button on your keyboard, and I will show you how does it work. So for example, you have a comment systemctl. You can write something like this, so systemc and press tab. As you can see, it will fill automatically after pressing the button. Again, you want to create a file. You can use, for example, touch. You can start it, press tab, and it will fill automatically. So this is really useful. Of course, you can combine it. So for example, I am in the home section. I want to go into this, for example, music folder. I can do something like this. So cd, I will just write m and press tab. As you can see, you can just fill it like that. So I can go into it and I can go back. This is really useful if the name of the file, for example, is really long. So you don't have to write it one by one. You can just fill it. In terms of this folder, you can just write it because it's not really that long. But for example, if the name of the file have like 15 lines, you can just fill it by pressing tab on your keyboard. Right now I will create maybe two files and I will show you something. So file1.txt and file2.txt. You can use something what we call double tap. You can do something like this. For example, I want to edit this file. I can do something like this and file, but I have two files that start with the same word. So the one tab will not work if I will press it once. I have to press it twice. As you can see, I have suggestions. So I can fill this word with this ending. So for example, I want to edit only file1.txt. This is how it works. I will exit that. It's not very important. The same with folders. As you can see, you have two folders that start with the same D and O. So I can do something like this, D and O, press double tap, and as you can see, I have two options that I can choose from. This is a documents and this is a downloads folder. So this is how you can use tab completion on Linux. I think this is really useful. For me, I like to use it. This is and you can use it also if you found this helpful. And this is all in the video. You can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.